Want to know how to sign in to Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. So just simply head towards web browser and type in agoda.com, which should open up your website. So once that is done, here you should be seeing sign in. That should be right next to create an account. So just simply select sign in right here. So once you have selected sign in, a new window should pop up. So once you have done that, here you should be seeing sign in or create account. So if you have signed in, you can just simply type in your email and just simply sign it in, or you can just simply do it with Google, Facebook, or Apple as your choice. And once that is done, you should be automatically signed in with just a few clicks. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you sign into Agoda. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.